Hello my loves, it's JENNIBELLIE. I'm back on YouTube weekly, so make sure if you are a subscriber for a while on my channel you hit the notifications bell to get the new videos, because when I started posting on YouTube there was no such thing as a notifications bell, so I know a load of you aren't going to get my videos that are coming up now, so be sure to hit that button so you get the ones coming up, because I've got lots of ideas for different series that I'm going to be doing on here, and also just random videos such as this chaos that's going on around me. I am redecorating my art room, maybe art rooms, who knows, I may do them all, but yeah, I'll post a video of this one once it's done. And starting next week I'm going to be doing an art journaling series on a new way I've been journaling lately. Because my desk has been so messy, you will see it in this video, it is just all the time chaos, and it's just how I'm working lately, so I've adapted my art journaling around it to making desk scrap art journal pages where I just literally use whatever is on hand in a very organic and quick way to make sure I get my art in for the day. So that is going to be starting next week, the first video of that, but I thought just to ease us in I would give you a little snippet of my favourite free art journaling scrap supply that I'm using all the time at the minute. So what you need to do first to make this is to grab a piece of scrap paper. If it is pattern paper or collage paper, I generally use some leftover paint or gesso just to cover it a little bit so it gives it a layered look. I'm just going to gesso it for the purposes of this video, and then it is simple as you are using your leftover inks from your stamping specifically. Now if you're using lots of stamps in various designs and inks in different colours, you might want to coordinate, have several pieces of paper so that you've got all cool tones on one, say purples, blues, etc., and then reds and oranges say on a different piece of paper. Or you could do it via themes if you're stamping a lot with flowers and birds versus I don't know, background supplies such as splashes and things like that. You might want to mix and match according to what you use as stamps. My personal thing that I'm using all the time at the minute is just plain lettering stamps and black ink. That is something that I seem to be using all the time at the moment, and I really like the look of it. It gives it a very grungy look that I like using a lot more than pattern papers in the background of things, particularly in my art journaling and my collage pages, because it just looks grungy and kind of natural versus a brought paper. So that is my favourite art journal supply at the moment. I mean, it's super simple, and I've always used the stamps and the leftover paint and things like that on the back of my desk. You've probably seen it, I've used it in lots of different bits and bobs of art over the years, but this I like dedicating specifically because I think it just looks really cool. The more you layer the stamps, the just more yummier it gets. On top of this, if you wanted to, you could add another layer of paint. I love the look of it with a palette knife versus a paintbrush, but do it however you want, and then you can go again. If I wasn't such a dum-dum for this video, I would have used a lighter paper in the background, because obviously on camera you can't really see as well with the dark background and then dark black text stamps on top. But you get the idea, and it builds really nicely, and I may just do that with this next time I'm painting something, just use the leftover paint on top, and then on top of that put down the rest of the stamps that I'm using. So that's it, super easy, super simple, and it's stuff you're already using. Don't waste it. Get some nice looking, individual looking supply out of it, and next week I will show you how I use it in an art journal page. But that's just one video series of many coming up, so be sure if you aren't a subscriber already to subscribe and to hit the notifications bell and like and comment and let me know if you guys are happy to see me back. If you're not, you don't have to comment. But if you are, I've got lots of stuff coming up for you guys, so I can't wait to share that all with you. If you're not already, come over to my art journaling community, and I shall see you all next week.